We just discuss about the technology, we talk about the certification. So let's talk about the technology side. So the tools we choose to shape the new way of the building, and especially in the mega projects in the region, what are your preferred platforms or tools for BIM and digital workflows?
Well, usually I don't like to mention names.
Yeah.
I like to mention categories.
Categories.
Yeah. So, for example, I like the tools that support construction sites and merge and combine the BIM models with the site real capture or reality capture. So some tools that you can compare between the design and what will be executed, or compare between the design and what was executed. These tools are very important and useful for the site, and it will help you manage the issues when there is some changes on site, when there is some thing that affects the design. So it's amazing tools that I always like. Also, I like the tools that have business intelligence abilities and visualizing the data, because BIM, for example, is all about data, all about information. And to visualize this information, you need to visualize it, and that tools like Power BI, for example, which will help decision makers to make decisions.